So question 2, we've got a cuboid. We're told that AF, which is this vertical distance here, is 6.8 centimetres. And we're also told that FC, which is this line across and through, is equal to 13.6. And we're asked to find the angle between this line and the plane. So that's that angle there, theta. Well, the line across the bottom forms a right angle in 3 dimensions, of course, with the vertical line 6.8. So we've got a simple relationship between the sides and the angle. What sides have we got with respect to that angle? Well, we've got this is the opposite, and that is the hypotenuse. So we've got a simple sine relationship between theta and the sides, and we can work out what theta is. So I can say sine theta is equal to the opposite, which is 6.8, divided by 13.6. Now, normally you'd be reaching for a calculator, but this is not a calculator paper, but these numbers work out very nicely, because this is equal to a half. Well, if sine theta equals a half, theta equals 30 degrees. It's one of those standard values. So I can say that theta equals 30 degrees. And that rather quickly is your answer.